Hello and welcome. You are watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Deepika Lingdo bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us first have a look at the headlines for today. The underprivileged will die of starvation if lockdown continues, Headman Lemkra. MEECL is in debt due to corruption, says Headman of Lemkra, GM Bruce. And Nyotrep Integrated Territorial Organization complained violation of forest and environmental laws. And now the news in detail. After identifying the households who need help in its first endeavour, the members of Lemkra locality, which includes the Khasi Students' Union Women's Wing, along with the Sisters of St. Margaret's School on the 10th of June 2021, contributed essential items to keep the poor and the needy families from starvation in times of the ongoing lockdown, which is imposed to curb the spread of the virus.
Ini kajing yarap awan naga KSU buat nakini Sister jeng St. Margaret. Tina kaliang ga senong bersenong lai mukra ngi sengongu ba iwan ai jeng yarap. Ka bersenong lai mukra ka penan kami kirang ba dong jong kini gi kentot berawi ke lai mukra ban identify. Ngi identify long kim dabun tang sipo har arngot si dong halai mukra gi don gumta ba ya khát sao khát sân kỳ cần tôi thì lạ buôn kỳ bà quay cả khi mà công an kỳ phốt thì cái này cái lại harap thì nak kaliang cái dorbar sedang lại mukra cái này cái jingnya terilang ke KSU pengseng bahalang buat ke St. Margaret ke seng ke bedi kam niam kam school ni ngau harap hai baik ba thì nak kaliang cái senong ru ngin saya pecu kumnungin yarap gini barok khoj kini giba jenjar kini gi nong tribela ginong nyak kali ginong di dukan ginong di surok barok khoj hi giba sa lai mukra gi berengkam jing yarap min sahab ya perkat long jing beteng jing lockdown ga syong jing start jing sorka lada ka beteng ya ka lockdown di sungutu ba ini khamtam giba la jenjar lupa insapoi sikayap ngan tina kaliang ka sarkar kan hap perkhat kumnu ben komsit iki lada ki continue ya kan lada ki kham penjensur ka jingmut yang kadai long kin hap penjensur no khambun nomor ba borok khoj hi mdei tangi essential shops ki ba dan kam kinong belaru kinong yak kali borok khoj hi ki dan kam man kamai di ben poi biang saka por borok khoj kini kamai la ka jong na try borok khoj hi mdei bigi kwa ban suya bam ya ka pisah sarkar ndrei la de kim don kala kum hagini ki por ban tri kam ka sarkar ka dei ban wan sakhmat ban ayaki de ka monetary compensation.
The headman of Lemkra, GM Bruce, today said the MEECL is in debt due to the tune of crore of rupees due to corruption. Speaking to the media, GM Bruce said the domestic consumers are paying regularly the electricity bill of the MEECL, and if they do not pay, their electricity connection will be immediately disconnected. He said it is surprising to see that industries that do not pay the electricity bills to the tune of lakh rupees are allowed to function normally and their power supply is never disconnected. GM Bruce said all these are forms of corruption that is ongoing in the MEECL. He also said that overstaff could be one of the factors that could put the corporation in trouble.
Siu le kim siu por syaot. Ndrei pin pej ba kani jing syaot pat kedai ba don pat ki ba kumahiti industrial area stisha. Stisha boy kim ot. But ki ba di ben siu di ki pholak di ki krur ki laj no. Ki tamut kadon ka jingnya sotu lang bagi baterai yang tu. Tamat kan ni ka corruption. The leakage of revenue got done because of corruption. The MCB mday, okay, MCL kam day tang sepang kata, kadai sepang di staff. Maybe ki staff kila buntan. Hiap siu ka tulok, kataru kadai ka bajur. Borok khaj kini ki electricity board pin I kila corporatize. Corporatize means kala along government company. Ndrei kani ke government company ru PE ba ka sudu tu kumnu kan su syania bai haka sarkar namta ka nu ka budgetary support ka perkhat ban penmi na ladi ban long self sustaining tigani ka jing mut jong ki ban privatize Kani kamdan ka question ni ben nai privatize ne hap privatize. Kajing privatization hap le. Mdan ka wi kala. Ndrei ban privatize kumno ka kamlong important. Nomor privatization kadai ban benefit ikibri bodon shani. Ndei bikibri kin wan nabar kin benefit kin wan lam di kinong trai ban shabar ka benefit jong kani kadi bendon ikibri shani. Merlada ke kiu ke MCB due to jong ke MEECL the privatization kan sa kiu shu ka jing tungkam jong kiru kan khambun rei menta la dingi pej kumni la dingi ong nai privatize ha ti lada ka khlem ti ha ka dei ka jak ka ban tajur ka region ti privatization kalong necessary kamdon ka wi kala buat kumu ong mentan kumno ban privatize kata ka bahap perkat long ka sarkar long fisutu inunu sarkar kidan political consideration lada ki hap ngap dut sabro kilia ki ka political consideration but ka economic consideration teng gamdai ka ju ti hangni ka political consideration yung ki kadai ban sange no ya ka privatization ti kumu ong mentan ka jing sange no yo privatization kan penpoi ka jing ma nomor kala ban garanti ka Meghalaya government ka garanti jong Meghalaya government ru andai garanti ka Meghalaya government ru pistana it will be based on loan kani kan increase shu yo ka burden jong ka sarkar ndai tang halun garanti segi interest payment segi wiwe but ngingim dei ban ailat ya kinu ki kiba penyak ka sarkar kinpej kum gini ki MTC lani ginu kiba dejo ki government company bakin sukujet pe nang sarkar makadika pisa pa ba amdai ka pisa jong.
The Nyautrep Integrated Territorial Organization today gave a written complaint to the Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma that many of the coke factories located at Ilaka Sutanga are polluting the environment by not adhering to the environmental laws. In a written complaint to the Chief Minister, the organization said, how can these coke factories function when the state is under lockdown? The organization has also received numerous complaints from the residents residing around these factories that their places had become highly polluted. The HITO said that the complaint against these industries is based on the RTI report on violation of forest and environmental laws.
Lian itremom. Sini liai berra. Mana me? Bayar kam yang tu. Kalau dah habis nak ya umidi.
Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.